As a social media manager, video editing, product editing, image editing, and graphics editing are very important when it comes to creating content for your various social media platforms. These skills gives you the freedom to create your own content, and by learning these skills, you no longer need to rely on stock images or generic graphics. You can create your own custom visuals that truly represent your brand. Video editing and graphics design will help make your content more engaging, adding eye-catching visuals to your social media posts, which can increase engagement to your social media platforms and grab your audience attention. These skills can help showcase your product effectively, and by learning video editing and graphics design, you can create high-quality product images that showcase the features and benefits of the products, which can lead to more sales. Learning graphics design for your social media can boost your creativity and help you create beautiful graphics that can truly represent your brand. Having all those skills can make you a sought-after social media marketer, which will give you a competitive edge in the job market. So, if you want the freedom of creating your own unique content, editing videos and making more engaging posts, and showcasing your products effectively, then learning video editing, image editing, product editing, and graphics design for social media is a great investment. This scholarship training provides you an opportunity to learn in-demand digital skills from industry experts, giving you the knowledge and confidence to succeed in today's world. Bye!